Hey traders, Mike Sir here. Welcome to my weekly Sunday Trader Psychology live stream series where I help you with anything regards to the mental side of trading. So hopefully you guys are enjoying your weekend so far. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to essentially focus on helping you train your mind to make money. Okay. So there's many aspects that we're going to talk about. Then I'm just going to list three key things that I'm going to talk about today. And also, if you guys have any questions regards to the mental side of trading, please put your questions in the chat box, and I will answer them after this session is over. All right. So just before we begin, I want to let you guys know that this live stream is sponsored by YOUHODLER. They are a fintech platform that is focused on crypto-backed lending with fiat currency, crypto, and stablecoin loans for private individuals. They are a Swiss company that is providing a bridge between the conventional financial system and the new digital economy. In addition to lending services, they offer a savings account that can earn you up to 12.3% per year, as well as they have a one-click exchange where you can convert your fiat currency into cryptocurrency. Now, all your crypto assets will be protected by the Ledger Vault's industry-leading security. And just want to let you guys know that I'm very, very careful in selecting my partners. In fact, I get so many requests, but YOUHODLER that I researched has an excellent reputation in industry with 4-star reviews on Trustpilot. So if you want to sign up for an account with YOUHODLER, go straight to youhodler.com, and also I'll link description link below. All right, so let's get started. So there's three key things that I really keep in mind, especially when I sit in front of my computer and I'm getting ready for my trading day. And the first thing that I really put a lot of emphasis is to really clear my mind of any distractions, make sure that I'm focused. Because oftentimes that, when we put ourselves in a state of ready to trade, right? Or ready to play the markets or ready to make money in the markets. Sometimes we're not ready because we have a lot of distractions, or perhaps the most obvious one is maybe you're just not that attentive, or you're very, very tired the night before. You wake up in the morning, you have a lack of sleep, you can't really concentrate. So in those circumstances, sometimes it's better not to trade because you're just not in a position to be focused. You're not ready to be able to look to see and analyze how the markets are doing. And especially given this market environment where there is so much volatility up and down, that if you are not sharp, there's a high percentage that you could lose money. And the other thing is sometimes we may have enough sleep, but we have things on our mind. We're thinking about other things besides trading. Maybe perhaps you had a fight with your girlfriend or with your wife, or you had some emotional challenges with people, and you're just not really focused, right? Your mind's elsewhere. With trading, it's especially if you are a day trader, where the decisions that you make on a day, like literally a minute by minute basis or hour by hour basis, affects your ability, to make money in the markets. So if you aren't feeling well, and I've been trading for so many years that sometimes when I get up in the morning, I'm not feeling right, or I just feel that I'm not ready to focus on the markets. I just don't trade at all. And sometimes it allows me to be able to be refreshed, and then the next day I can really focus. So that's one thing that really is very, very important, that because you're training yourself to make money, if you're not ready, you're mentally not there, your focus is not there, then how do you expect yourself to really take advantage of the market opportunities that are in the markets on a day-to-day basis? All right. So second thing is know what to look for. And this is actually very, very important. So there are time periods where you wake up, you turn on your computer, and you're ready to trade, right? Mentally, you're sharp, you're focused, but you don't know what to trade, right? You obviously look at the news, see what's going on. You are trying to see what stocks are in play, etc., etc. But it could be that that opportunity is not right for you, right? For example, you are, let's just say, you like to trade more stable type of markets, right? You like steady increases, right? Steady uh, um, appreciation in value of your stock prices, but yet the day that you wake up, the markets is all over the place, right? We obviously the situation in Russia and Ukraine right now, maybe that market's not right for you. So you're essentially trying to look for something that's stable, but yet the markets are very, very volatile. So that's not an opportunity for you to be able to make money. Now, let's just say you are able to be adaptive and you like trading volatile markets. Well, what should you trade? Is there a specific um, stock that you've been monitoring that you finally found that is a good opportunity to buy? Like, is there a specific chart setup that you're looking for? Is there a certain pattern? Is the stock hitting a certain resistance level, support level? Or what's your strategy? Is the strategy that you are an expert in, are you focused on that? Is that something that you um, excel at? So part of trading is trying to find opportunities that fit your style or fit the skill sets that you have developed, and the market agreeing with your strategy or with the in your interpretations. So oftentimes that I see where there's literally money sitting in front of you, right? This is your setup, your strategy, everything, but you just don't know where it is, right? Because you're not focused on specifically looking for that particular opportunity. So that's the second part, right? So first is to clear your mind, your distractions, really be focused. Number two is, once you're focused, well, what is it that you're looking for? Like what type of opportunity are you looking for, right? Is it a technical chart setup? Is it the fundamental setup? Okay, last thing is constantly look for ideas. Okay, I will tell you that there is opportunities everywhere that you see on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so partly it is knowing what to look for. So, for example, the unfortunate situation happening in Russia and in Ukraine. Well, what are some of the things that is impacted by that? Well, you see it at the gas pumps, right? Gas prices are skyrocketing. Is there an opportunity in the commodity oil? Is there opportunity in oil stocks? What are other stuff? For example, because oil prices are so high, well, alternative energy, electric vehicles, right, could be in demand. Anything that is alternative energy with regards to oil may be an opportunity. Maybe there's opportunities in that area, right? So you're always constantly looking for ideas, right? Looking for opportunities, looking for the next hot stock, for example, or the hot sector, right? Looking and perhaps once the world calms down and maybe nothing of these clear opportunities appear to you, but for example, you may be walking to a shopping mall and you see huge lineups for Nike, for example, right? So perhaps you can look at a Nike stock, right? So there's opportunities all around you. You just need to know what you're looking for, right? Obviously, clear your mind and know that hey, if there is a lineup for Nike shoes here, maybe that could be a potential for you to buy Nike stock and see the value of Nike stock increase in value. So those are three key things. There's obviously lots of things that will help you in terms of training yourself to make money. But the key aspects in terms of what you want to focus on is when you are you want to essentially every day put yourself in a position where you have the knowledge, you have the skills, and those skills and your knowledge are aligned with the market conditions. And if you can do that on a consistent basis, whether daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, I guarantee that you will be able to make money in the markets. And obviously, the mental side is sometimes the key challenge for you to be able to either be consistent or be able to make a lot of money.